It was a lovely spring day, and Pow was eating grass with all of his friends. "Hey, Fred, how does that grassy patch taste over there?" "Well, it's a little on the salty side. How about you, Pow?" "Well, mine tastes like it could use a little more cinnamon." "Oh, yeah. Mine tastes like a pumpkin spice latte." "Well, that sounds mighty tasty." "You know what we need, guys?" "What's that, Pow?" "We need a change of pace and new grass. That's what we need." "Yeah, I know that because I'm getting a little tired of eating the same grass." "Well, what were you thinking, Pow?" "Well, you guys leave it to me. I'll go searching for a new land of grass." "That's mighty kind of you, Pow. Mighty kind." "No problem at all." So Pow went searching through all the pastures. He passed a big, giant daffodil patch. Well, these might not be good for us, and they might not taste very good, so I better move on." So he kept searching. Pow came through a flower garden. Boy, I'm not seeing anything but a bunch of flower gardens. All this flowery business. We can't have that. I need real grass. Where can I find some real grass? And he continued on his way. Soon Pow came to a lovely field full of delicious green grass. Yippee! Now that's what I'm talking about. Yummy, delicious grass to chew. Yippee! Pow jumped over the fence. Whoop! But the fence had some old wire sticking out and cut poor Pow on the leg. Ouch! 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 My leg is bleeding! Oh, my leg! Ouch! 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 Poor Pow, he jumped back over the fence and decided to head back home. "Oh, Pow, what happened to your leg? You have a big ouch on your leg." "Yeah, Pow, that looks pretty serious." "Well, guys, I did find a nice field of yummy grass, but there was an old fence with a wire. That was a crazy wire, and it got my leg. It got my leg real badly." "Well, that's a serious cut there. Big ouch on the leg. Oh, yes, it is. Don't you worry. Pow, don't you worry, because Fred and I will take care of you. You just stay put and rest." So that is what Pow did. He stayed and rested as his friends helped him get back to health. They fed him grass and they brought him water. They put herbs on his cut. And they even put a big Band-Aid over his cut to help him heal. "There you go. Now you just rest, little Pow." "Thanks, guys." And so a month went by, and Pow was feeling better. "Well, what do you say if we go to the new field? I'm feeling much better." "Well, if you think so, sure." And so they all went to the new field. "Well, here it is, guys. This is the field that I was talking about." "It looks great, Pow." "It looks scrumptious. And guess what? There's no fence to jump over, so we won't get a chance of getting hurt then." "That's just marvelous." "Thank you, Pow." "You're welcome, and thank you for taking care of me. Now you guys go ahead and try the grass out."
"Mine tastes like spaghetti."
And mine tastes like a fudge brownie. And mine tastes like happiness because I have the best friends ever. Aw, mighty nice of you. So sweet. And the three friends enjoyed their new field and lived happily ever after. Hello there, it's me, Ellie. And you remember Ollie the octopus? He always has his mouth open wide as he sings his ah. Okay, and so this first O is a short O and it says ah. Okay, we are focusing on that today. We're focusing on two combinations. Here is ow and here is another ow. Okay, they both have band-aids underneath them. They're coated because in our story, we had Pow the Cow, and he got an owie on his leg, and so he had a band-aid. You remember he jumped over a fence, cut his leg, and his friends helped him, and they put a band-aid on Pow the Cow. And so we're putting band-aids under these ow, so you can think of the owie, the ouch he got on his leg. And so let's try it out. All right, so here we have, there's that cute little cow. We have ow, as in cow. There he is. And what was his name? You remember it was ow, Pow the Cow. Yes, indeed. Very good. Voila. Oh, hi guys, it's me, Jerome, and we are going to do letter art. Oh, yeah. Okay, so here I have Pow the Cow with his ouch. That's what we're going to draw. Okay, so you move him up a little bit. Okay, here we go. Get a dark marker, and here we go. Let's draw a curve for the top of his head. Zoom in, please. Better. Okay. Here we go. A curve and then some bangs like he's got. Okay. And then the loop for his face. And then a curve for the top of his nose. And then he's got little nostrils. You can just put some big dots in there. Okay. And then a little skinny smile. Use the very tip of your marker. And then 2 dots for eyes. And then one has a little patch of color around it. You can do a circle or whatever you want there. He's got 2 little ears sticking out and the bangs on the side. A little loop and another little loop. You can put a texture line in there. A little horn and a little horn, so they're little curves. Good job. All right, now we're going to do his body. So I'm going to start underneath his nose. A little bit over, not quite the middle, but a little over to the right. So not there, but just a little bit over. Okay, and then just go all the way around, kind of boxy looking, until you get to the middle over here. Good. Okay, now he's got 4 legs. So down, little cow toe, another one. Good, and 2 more. There you go. Okay, and a big band-aid right there. And then a line and a few little dots, like band-aids have. Okay, and then he's got some markings on him. And, well, let's put the tail on. We got the little tail. Okay, and then let's get a brown marker, or you can do this with a crayon, or those big oil pastels are great too. Whatever works for you. Color in the bangs. Okay, there you go. And we're going to go kind of quickly. You can take your time. And then the little spot around the eye. Okay, and then let's see. We're going to draw this up here. Leave that white. And then we're going to draw, leave a little white at the bottom of this. So we're going to go like that. And then all the way over there. And then color that in. You can use the side of your marker. It helps go a little quicker. And then his tail. And then there's a piece of that color right there, and that leg, and right there. Yeah, okay. there's Pow the Cow, and he has an ow. Put a Band-Aid there. We're using this ow right there. Band-Aid. He has an ouch. Remember that sound? And it's over there. Okay, we did the Pow the Cow with the ouch. Good job, guys. Hello there. Okay, so here I have ow, and I have something behind me, but you're not going to see it yet because I'm going to cover it. But you saw what we were using. Okay, so, all right, here we go. All right, move it down. There's our ow. And we need a k. I think you know where this is going. And we need a ch. Oh, yes. There we go. We have k, ow, ch, couch. And guess what? I am going to let Pow the Cow sit on the couch. Here he comes. That is silly. There's Pow the Cow sitting on the couch. Hi, guys. Okay, so we're going over ow. And there's a Band-Aid, so that will help you remember ow. All right, now I'm going to have that put it down, assistant. Thank you for helping me. Zoom in. Okay, so look what I got, Ellie. Oh, yeah. Pretty nice. Okay, so here we go. I need a k. Yep, there's a k. I need a r. There's a r. I need a mm. Okay, let's sound it out, guys. K, r, ow, crown, crown, crown. Ellie's my queen, and she deserves a crown. Okay, so I'm going to call her and surprise her. Ellie! Yes, Jerome? Ellie, I need you. Come on down here. I'm coming, Jerome. What's up, Jerome? Oh, Ellie, close your eyes. Cover your eyes, please. Okay, I love surprises. Okay, no peeking. I see that. All right, here we go. Oh, Jerome, you got me a crown because you're my queen, Ellie. Crown. And don't forget our list.